Hello, my name is Kai and I got some money. So let's buy a special tool, the Fordeom SR Pendant Motor. In this video I want to share my experience. So let's have a look what we get for our money. Okay, owner's manual. We will read it later. The Foredom product catalog. Some lubricant paste. And of course this quick release handpiece H20. And this jewelry accessory kit. There's probably some useful shit inside. And here it is, the Holy Grail. The Foredom SR. Oh, that's a heavy machine.
Der ist ja so schwer. Alter, was ein Klopper. Qualität.
And we also got this nice organizer.
Oh yeah.
And this foot panel speed control.
Super nice. Super nice.
Yeah, so let's have a look in the owner's manual. Because I don't want to destroy this expensive machine. There are also some safety instructions like wearing a mask and eye protection, what you definitely should take more serious than I do. Alrighty, let's find a place to hang up this motor and get the shit running. Yeah, but where? Okay, I tried to find a solution for my small room problem. And while I'm doing this, I want to share a few moments of my spiritual journey, Camino de Santiago.
Ne? Ja. Crazy get. Yeah, doggo. Hey, hello, ne? My good boy.
Okay, that's enough. Let's get back to home. Hey, did you miss me? Oh, what a warm welcome. But anyway, we made new friends. Hello, Mr. Fordeom. I found a great solution to hang up the motor. I just went to the hardware store and this hook costs me just €2, which is a great alternative to the original Foredom motor hanger that is about $64. Yeah, and the hook makes a really good job. Okay, now let's pay attention to the handpiece. There are a few handpieces available, so watch out that you pick the right one. Oh yeah, it's really nice to handle, like a pen. And I immediately fell in love with this quick release system. Yeah, just switch the switch to switch between the tools. Yeah, the first thing that really disappoints me is this foot panel speed control, which seems to be just a piece of plastic, so it's very sensitive. As you can see, I tried it with Crocs, probably the best shoes in the world. And also tried it with cat paws. And finally with socks, which so far works the best. Yeah, Foredom has a solution here, this speed control for extra $100, but this is not in a budget. Anyway, let's make our own low-budget speed control. I found these little boys and I took one of them and tried to fix it on a board. So why am I doing this? I mean, for jewelry making, this foot panel speed control will do a great job. But when it comes to opal cutting, I want a constant speed. And I cannot have my clumsy foot all the time on the foot panel. The idea is as simple as genius. By turning the wheel, the vise pushes down the foot panel, and now we should be able to adjust the speed to any RPM we want. Oh yeah, that worked better than expected. As I told you, I have really no idea how to use all of these accessories. But yeah, let's just put them into this nice organizer. And then finally, let's get started. Okay, may the Fordeom be with us. Sorry for that. Now I saw this beautiful ring in the internet and I'm trying to create something like that. I'm just trying out some of the accessories and just after a few minutes of working I realized that it's hard to handle this machine. Anyway, I really believe we can create something very special here. I always try to make the best out of the situation. So when I realized that I'm not able to create these symmetrical bubbles, I decided to make just one bubble on each side. And this turned out quite terrible. I mean, it is what it is, it looks like it looks. A stone setting between two mushrooms.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay, pretty sure the world is not ready for this kind of jewelry. So let's get back to the basics and try out something easier. Let's use this sanding burr to work on the inside of this ring. Yeah, pretty sure nothing bad can happen here. Okay, just a small burn on the thumb. By the way, if you like the video, thumbs up. Let's protect our fingers with these silicone finger caps. Oh yeah, this works way better. But yeah, I am still a clumsy idiot. Yeah, not necessary to say that's not the professional way to use the Fordeom. But yeah, that's authentic learning by doing. So this video shows not perfection, but progress. Oh yeah, fits like a glove. Let's clean up a bit and come to another work step where we can use our Fordeom. And this is about the stone setting, which is my personal end boss. So let's switch to the silicone burr. That is sadly not included in the accessory kit, but it's a real game changer. So yeah, here you can see all the working marks that I cannot provide while pushing the silver against the stone. But with this silicone boy, we can easily remove the marks. You only have to be a bit careful not to hit the stone, because you don't want to ruin the great polish. But if you get a feeling for the tool, and if you choose the right angle, you should be able to do this. Oh yeah, that worked pretty good. So now let's use the Fordeom for my favorite step, the polishing. And when I polished this ring, I realized that I've bought a great machine. This Pendant Motor Fordeom SR combines a very powerful rotation with precise handling. And I would definitely say that it was a very good investment. At this point, I want to say again that this channel is about learning by doing. I am not an expert at all, but I try to give some information and maybe some motivation to all the people out there who are interested in jewelry making. I've started this amazing hobby just this year, and I hope I can keep it up to grow up a small online jewelry business. That would be awesome. When I started all of this, I mean creating YouTube videos, cutting opals, making jewelry, I had no idea how much all of this means to me. So for all of your support, may it be online or offline, I just want to say thank you so much. I really hope that you enjoyed this video.